Greetings, fellow explorers. Today, we embark on a virtual journey to Palouse Falls State Park, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Washington state. Join us as we uncover the beauty of this picturesque waterfall surrounded by unique geological formations, where nature's artistry takes center stage. Our adventure begins with the awe-inspiring sight of Palouse Falls, a majestic cascade that plunges into a rugged canyon below. Marvel at the raw power of nature as water thunderously descends over ancient basalt cliffs, creating a mesmerizing display of mist and spray. Palouse Falls stands as a testament to the enduring forces of erosion and the timeless beauty they create. Surrounding Palouse Falls are fascinating geological formations known as basalt columns, crafted over millennia by the cooling and contraction of ancient lava flows. These towering pillars, resembling the pipes of a massive organ, add a surreal touch to the landscape and serve as a testament to the region's tumultuous volcanic history. Take in panoramic vistas of Palouse Falls and its surrounding landscapes from designated scenic overlooks scattered throughout the park. Gaze out over the rugged canyon walls, carpeted with vibrant greenery, and feel a sense of awe at the sheer scale and beauty of this natural wonder. It's a photographer's paradise, offering endless opportunities to capture the perfect shot. Embark on a journey of discovery along the park's network of hiking trails, which meander through pristine wilderness and offer glimpses of hidden treasures. Traverse rugged terrain, cross babbling streams, and immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of nature as you explore the diverse ecosystems that call Palouse Falls State Park home. Palouse Falls State Park is a haven for birdwatchers, with its diverse habitats attracting a wide variety of avian species. Keep your binoculars handy as you spot soaring raptors, colorful songbirds, and elusive waterfowl against the backdrop of the waterfall's misty veil. It's a birdwatcher's paradise, offering endless opportunities for observation and appreciation. As the sun sets and darkness descends, Palouse Falls State Park transforms into a stargazing spectacle. Far from the city lights, the night sky comes alive with a dazzling display of stars, planets, and celestial wonders. Spread out a blanket, lay back, and lose yourself in the beauty of the cosmos as you contemplate the mysteries of the universe. As stewards of Palouse Falls State Park, we have a responsibility to protect and preserve its natural heritage for future generations. Learn about ongoing conservation efforts aimed at safeguarding the park's fragile ecosystems and promoting sustainable recreation practices. Together, we can ensure that this pristine wilderness remains a sanctuary for wildlife and a source of inspiration for all who visit. As we conclude our virtual journey through Palouse Falls State Park, we leave with a deep appreciation for the beauty and majesty of this natural wonder. Whether marveling at the cascading waters of Palouse Falls, exploring its rugged landscapes, or gazing at the stars overhead, this park offers a sanctuary for the soul and a glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. Until our paths cross again, may the spirit of adventure and exploration guide your travels. Safe journeys, fellow adventurers.